have a 2025 Genesis GV80 here in the garage, and I just want to make a quick video on the tire pressures on this car. Usually when you, I don't know, most vehicles usually have tire pressure the same as front rear, quite a few of them, but on the Genesis from the factory, the tire pressures are different, and I can show you the sticker in a second on the door jamb. But it's 33 up front and 36 on the rear on this particular year, make and model. I'll show you the sticker on the door jamb and where it's located if you want to check yours. Go around here to the driver's side, and your sticker is right here. And that sticker will show you like the tire size recommended for the vehicle and air pressure too. Whoops, so I just split up my camera. Sorry about that. So yeah, if you want to look up the tire size and the air pressure, it's right here. And so you guys can double check it. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that real quick if you happen to have one of these cars. Thanks for watching as usual. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you liked it. And if you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you.